2, 1.
Why you wanna go and do that, love, huh?
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the notifications for your girl. So I'm just going to jump right into this video. This video is sponsored by Highoh, sponsored by a company called Highoh. It sent me some of their Highoh boob tape. So this is the packaging that it comes in. I kind of opened it already, but just because I wanted to look. But it's called Highoh. Here is the packaging. Let me do a quick thumbnail. Okay, so the company is called Highoh, and this is some of their boob tape. So I'm opening it up. It looks like this. They sent me actually a lot. So it comes with 2 tubes of tape, and it comes with these little pasty things, which I'm gonna kind of show you how they work. It looks like it comes with 2 sets of these. So I'm gonna try to show you how it works. I'm trying to figure out how I can show you how it works without getting in trouble by YouTube. But let's try it out. Okay, so this is the dress that I have, and obviously the way it's cut, you don't want to wear it with the bra because I have on a bra, and you can see it. So, you know, it needs to be like this. It needs to be like this, but you can still see the bra. Like, so this is not something that, and it's actually supposed to be like this. You can't wear this dress without a bra, and if you don't put on a bra, it's not gonna look as perky. So how it works is you take these little pasties. Oh, there's actually more in here. There's actually a lot in here. They give you a few. They give you a few of these, and there's 2. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 in here. So that's 5. There's 10 sets of these because there's another package of these, and there's 2. 2 is 1 set. So you're gonna peel off this little part here. It's like a little sticker like this. You just peel like that, and then this is like felt in the middle. It's like very soft for your nips, you know, and then you just stick it there. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so I don't have a bra on, but I have the little sticky things, and you can see how it looks on this dress. It just looks like. We're gonna fix that with Highoh. Okay, so it comes like, it's like a tape literally, and it has like a grid on the back. So I guess you can cut out if you need to. Oh, that's very helpful. Like, yeah, so let's say you're wearing something and you need to cut it a certain way. You can like count the squares, how many things you need. So for example, let me see how I would do this. I think this is a little wide for me because this is like the size of my whole boob. So I just need to tape it, and then we're gonna tape it up. So I'm gonna get some scissors, and I'm gonna cut this. So I cut off this much, and which is probably even a little long, but I'm just gonna cut it down the middle. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this back, and then you're gonna start under your boob like this, and then we're gonna tape it up kind of over your shoulder like that. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll be back. All right, so I'll kind of show y'all. Hopefully this don't get me in trouble by YouTube. But just taping it up. Okay, I'm all taped up. Taped up. Oh, this is dope. I never used something like this before. And we are good. We are good. And there we go. So I know y'all can probably tell that this boob is bigger than this boob. I've always been that way. I guess I could tape, well, if I taped it like this. But I've always been that way ever since I grew these. Like this one has always been bigger than this one. But if I put another piece of tape back over here, I can probably pull it like that so it looks more even. But you kind of get the gist and the point of how to use the tape and how it goes. But yeah, this is really dope. I could really use something like this, especially in the summertime when you wear low cut things like this or like tube tops. You can tape it around this way too. So it's kind of like a bra, like a tube top type of bra if you wear like a strapless or something like that. But yeah, I'm really curious to see how this tape holds up, like if you go out and you sweat. The material of the tape is like it's like a fabric bandage type material. It's really comfortable, it's really soft, it's not scratchy. That's the difference. Like I feel like when you get regular bandage tape, it's kind of like scratchy feeling, but this is like really soft, like cotton, I think. But yeah, it feels good, it feels comfortable. I don't feel like it's gonna hinder me at all or anything. It doesn't feel like it's gonna come out. It doesn't feel like it's gonna come down right now. I just have it taped around my shoulders. It doesn't feel weird at all. It's taped around. It's really, it feels sturdy. It feels like a bra. It feels like a bra. If you're interested in purchasing this boob tape, you can purchase it at ilovehighoh.com. It retails for $29.99. You get 2 big tubes of boob tape and 10 posty pasties. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share. Thumbs up if you like it. I love you guys. And I'll see you in the next video.